Welcome back to our channel. Dear viewers, today, we're excited to bring you the latest updates on the Isuzu MUX, which has just been refreshed and unveiled in Thailand. If you're a fan of three-row SUVs with a rugged feel, then this video is for you. Isuzu unveiled the refreshed MUX in Thailand, introducing a range of visual and technological updates while retaining its ladder frame chassis and diesel engine options. This three-row SUV, closely linked to the Isuzu D-Max pickup, now offers a new RS variant with sportier design elements, in addition to the upscale Ultimate trim. Safety equipment has been improved with a new camera, supporting an array of ADAS. Depending on the trim level, these include lane keeping assist, traffic jam assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross traffic brake. Drivers also have access to a surround view monitor on the central display, offering the ability to see under the vehicle's floor when off-roading. Under the hood, the Isuzu MUX continues with its two turbo diesel choices. The entry-level 1.9-liter engine delivers 148 horsepower, while the more robust 3.0-liter option churns out 187 horsepower. Power is directed to the rear wheels, except for the range-topping RS variant, which also offers a full-fledged 4WD system. In Thailand, all MUX iterations come equipped with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Compared to the second generation of the Isuzu MUX that debuted in late 2020, the mid-life cycle update adopts a completely redesigned face. The grille is larger and is accompanied by more pronounced bumper intakes and sharper LED headlights. At the rear, Isuzu designers incorporated full-width LED taillights and made adjustments to the rear bumper. The new RS trim stands out with its chrome-infused grille, garnish around the intakes, front skid plate, and rear bumper extensions. It also boasts a distinctive set of black 20-inch alloy wheels, complemented by matching finishes for the fender flares and roof. Additionally, lime green accents adorn the RS emblems and center caps. Inside, a new 7-inch screen joins the instrument cluster, accompanied by an updated 9-inch infotainment system that supports wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Alongside the revamped instrument panel, the seats and door cards have been redesigned to provide a more premium aesthetic. The RS variant showcases black inserts and red ambient lighting, while the Ultimate trim boasts truffle brown leather upholstery with matching inserts. The refreshed model is now open for orders in Thailand and is anticipated to roll out to other markets soon. Prices for the 2025 Isuzu MUX kick off at $32,300 for the base 4x2 elegant 1.9 variant and escalate to $47,987 for the top-tier 4x4 RS 3.0 model. Competitors in the truck-based SUV category encompass the Toyota Fortuner and the Mitsubishi Pajero Sport. What do you think about the new Isuzu MUX? Are you excited about the RS variant? Leave your comments below. If you have any questions, feel free to ask, and we'll be happy to answer them. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more car reviews and updates. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Until next time, drive safe and see you soon.